Okay, here we go. This is take one. Jen shooting a BB gun slash handgun, handgun slash BB gun for the first time. Here we are. We've got a Kroger orange soda. All shaken up. Shaken, not stirred. Okay, wait for it. There's my babies.
That went right over. He's going to get wet or hurt.
That cat's going to be scared in a minute. So, here we go.
Okay.
Remember, thumbs forward.
Thumbs forward. I just hope I don't hurt him.
Safety off.
Safety's off. Thumbs forward.
Fire. Oh, safety off.
Safety is off. And it
Squeeze.
wouldn't fire.
No, safety is not on. That's on fire. You gotta read the read the gun now.
I had a blonde moment. Okay.
Alrighty then.
What I thought was safety was really fire. Oh, my bad. Okay.
Here we go. Miss number one, but that's okay. Breathe and squeeze.
Sorry, poo-poo.
Shot number 2.
That's fun.
Well, that's Jen shooting a gun. And that's all we got, folks.
Poo-poos.